Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beautiful Art and Craft Kids. Hope you all most well. Today I was drawing I about teach how to draw a cute parrot with heart. So let's start the video. Material needed: pencil, eraser, color pencil, marker or paints. Optional. Step by step guide. Step 1. Draw the body outline. Start by drawing a large oval shape for the body. The body of the parrot is typically long and somewhat with one end slightly more pointed of the for the tail. Step 2. Sketch the head. Draw a smaller circle or oval shape at the top left of the body. This will be the parrot head. Add a slight curve at the top of the head for the top of the beak. Draw the beak. For the parrot's beak, draw a curved triangle shape extending from the front of the head. Parrot beaks are strong and curved, so make sure the top part is bigger than the bottom. Add the eyes. Inside the head, draw a large round eye near the top and a little to the front. Make it large as parrot eyes are quite noticeable. Add a small circle inside for the pupil and leave some space to make the eye shine. Step 5. Sketch the tail. Sketch the wings. On the side of the body, sketch the wings. Draw the wings on the side of the body. Add legs and feet. For the legs, draw two curved lines extending from the bottom of the body. Add small rounded feet with claws and grip into a branch of perch. Parrot have zachyodal feet. Feet toes forward to backward, so position the toes accordingly. Detail the feathers. Add feather detail to the wings, body, and tail with short curved line. This will give the parrot a realistic texture. Add a few lines on the head for the feather texture. Outline and erase. Once you are happy with the shapes, outline your drawing with a darker pencil or pen. Erase any accessories, guidelines, and sketch line. Part 2. Color your parrot. Parrot come in many colors, but the most common are bright green, red, blue, and yellow. Start with the larger section like the body and wings and color them in shade of green, yellow, or red depending on the type of parrot you want to draw. Add detail like a red or blue tail. Add color the beak in shade of orange or yellow. Final touch. Shade areas too. Okay, bye bye.